Hey guys, I wasn't thinking about making a bonus video, but I've been watching Dustin Williams and Shanks lately. If you guys don't know who they are, they're friends with TJ Hunt, and I'm sure some of you guys know who TJ Hunt is. Just in case you don't know, TJ Hunt is like an auto vlogger, so he makes videos similar to what I do, but he's been in like the car vlog community for quite a while now. I think like 4 or 5 years, I'm guessing. I found out about Dustin Williams and Shanks through TJ. Anyways, recently Dustin and Evan got Evos, and it's not that I'm mad or like upset that they got Evos. I'm happy to see other people make Evo videos, and I just wanted to give my opinion on their Evos. Not that I'm like an Evo guru or whatever, but so basically in this video we're gonna be watching clips from their vlogs, and we're gonna check out their Evos together. We're gonna talk about it. Leave comments down below about what you think about their Evos. So I guess Dustin got his Evo first, I guess, so let's just start with him.
Alright guys, so today is the video that we've all been waiting for. I know I left you guys on a cliffhanger on the last video, but it was well worth the wait. We are shooting in the canyons right now for the actual Evo Reveal video. It's right here next to me, but you guys can't see it yet. Anyways, before we get into this, I just want to give a huge thank you. Premium Auto Styling, who wrapped the card.
Okay, so first of all, I just want to say I really like Dustin's shots. Like, I think he's just a way better videographer than TJ. Although TJ, he's got the subs. He's got the subs. Yeah, that looks sweet. Red Evo gang, so his fam. I like how that was like synced with the music. That was pretty good when he shifted. I wish we had roads here in Winnipeg. For all you local guys, you guys know the struggle. When you buy like a BRZ or like an Evo and it's like, you want to feel the car and how it reacts in the corners, but all our roads are straight. Yeah, it really looks like that car from the Evo from Tokyo Drift. Like, I feel like if I didn't know any better, I'd think it was the same car. Like, that's the first thing that popped into my head. Okay, I'm gonna pause it right there. That is a pretty cool livery. I like that. I really like that. I feel, just my opinion on his Evo, I approve. That is a pretty sweet looking Evo. Yeah, I feel like if I made, or if I had an Evo 8, 7, 8, 9, since that's like the same body style, I would more or less do something similar. To me, the Evo always had like a racing pedigree. It was a race car that was put onto the street. In my eyes, that's what the Evo was. So I feel the Evo always needed a livery, whether it's like mine, like stripes or something. I don't know. His isn't really flames, but it's more like, I don't want to say tribal either. I don't know. It looks like a car out of like Need for Speed or Fast and Furious, like definitely. It looks really good. I approve. Maybe he would have to do his brake, but obviously his build isn't done. Same with mine. I know he is working on more power, but that's still a really good looking Evo. No matter if it's stock or not, that is a good looking Evo. So, Dustin Williams, I doubt you're watching this, but if you are, I very much approve. That is a sweet looking Evo. Okay, so now from Dustin Williams, we're gonna jump into Shanks, since this one I really wanted to talk about because I love Evo 8s, Evo 9s. I love that body style. That's like the iconic Evo, the Evo that everyone dreams of. But we're gonna talk about the youngest Evo, the Evo 10, which is, if you guys don't know, if you guys are new, I have an Evo 10 as well. Check out some of my videos down below. I have like a bunch of videos on my build. I really wanted to talk about Shanks' Evo because it's fairly new. And he has an Evo 10, I have an Evo 10. When I first started making videos like a year ago on YouTube, hardly anyone else had Evo 10s, and I know I wasn't the only one that had a red Evo, but there weren't a lot of red Evos. Like, there were a fair bit of blue ones, black ones, gray ones, and even in my city there is like a few Evos, mainly white, black, gray, blue, but the red ones I only know of like 3 in my city. In Shanks' latest video, when he installs a racing wheel from his, I think it was from his Miata, and he put it on his Evo. Personally, I dig it, it's okay. It's more of like a mod I would do on like a 90s car. My Evo anyways has like functions on the steering wheel, like cruise control, which I know I don't really use, but I also have the AYC or the differential settings like tarmac, gravel, and snow. And that's on my steering wheel. I don't know how to like reroute that or like relocate that. So for now, I want to keep my stock steering wheel. Evan Shanks in his video did say that Evo steering wheel is gross. I don't know if he was just talking about his in general, but I don't know. I kind of like the way the Evo 10 steering wheel looks. There's far uglier stock steering wheels that I've seen on cars. Like, I don't know if it's the USDM Supra. I'm gonna put a picture up for it right now for you guys. It looks horrendous. A Supra is a Supra. You can always change the steering wheel, but that is a fat steering wheel. That's ugly. Back on the topic, Evan Shanks changed the steering wheel on his Evo. I'm not a huge fan of the flat bottoms. I like having it a circle, so when I turn the wheel, it's always like I have the same grip. Okay, so funny thing is, I'm not hating on Subarus once again. I love Subarus. I just think it's funny that, where is it? Evan Shanks says this. I can't find it right now, but I'm gonna put a clip of it right now.
Dustin, we were once WRX brothers, we were once Subaru brothers, and now Evo gang. I wanted to buy a Subaru again, but I also will never own a turbo Subaru again in my life.
I just think it's hilarious that, I know Dustin still loves his Subaru. I feel like Evan is completely like
Evo gang.
He's joined the dark side. His full Evo. Evan Shanks also mentioned something in his video where he doesn't care what other people do. It's like he just wants to do him. And that's something I agree with as well. Like, I know I'm a smaller channel, and if people go from Evan Shanks or Dustin Williams and then find my car. But I do agree with Evan Shanks. Like, it is, in my opinion, it's always good to be original. Even if original means doing what everyone else does, if that makes sense. I feel like there is a difference between being original and being unique. Striving to be original could mean, for say, we all like Evos. If everyone else likes Evos and we genuinely like Evos, what's not original about that? As compared to striving to be unique. If I'm striving to be unique, I would pick a car like a Toyota Tercel, because no one mods those cars, and I'd put a 2J in it, and that would be unique. I haven't seen a 2J swap Tercel, but there you go. Like, that's striving, in my opinion, that's striving to be unique. Doing what you like is original, because what's not original about being yourself? I genuinely like his videos. I really do. Like, I'm a Evan Shanks fan, and I'm a Dustin Williams fan, and I've been watching them before they bought Evos. I kind of feel bad because no matter what he does, it's like TJ does it first, and then he gets called out for copying TJ. I think that's hilarious, but I also feel bad for the guy. What was the very first thing? He said he had his own line. I think TJ, or like, they started saying doctor, and no, it was let's go. Yeah, that's it. He said it like, okay, like, Evan Shanks, Evan, if you're watching the video, I'm so happy you don't say that. Because he'd say it like 50 times in a video, and then I'd be like, oh, god damn it. He has genuinely good content. He's a good filmmaker. I like what he's doing with his videos. I like his cars. I like how he picked the SC300. There's so many cars out there that I wonder, like, why don't people drift these cars? Like, why are these, like, they're cheap. Like I said, I just want to give my opinion on their Evos, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I kind of wanted to upload another video because I felt like I said in the last one, I was feeling a little bit off that day, and I'm not too sure why. So I felt kind of bad, so I wanted to upload another video, and I couldn't exactly do anything else, so I just thought this is something that's been on my mind, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to leave a like, subscribe, and join the Annie Perfect Society. Peace out, and make it happen.